Hello guys, welcome to Village Vet. As the sun slowly sets over the farm, the warm golden light basks the cows, buffaloes, and their playful calves. This is the calmest time of the day, a perfect moment to observe their health and natural behavior. Each animal's hair is cared for with attention, clean water, fresh feed, and comfortable resting areas, all providing to keep them strong and healthy. The cows stay close to their mothers, learning and playing, while the adults graze peacefully in the soft evening light. Maintaining a farm is not just about feeding, it's about observing, understanding, and connecting with every animal. Regular care and small preventive practices help prevent disease, improve growth, and increase productivity. From feeding routines to the gentle interaction between calves and mothers, every moment teaches us the importance of patience and dedication in animal care. The peaceful sounds of the farm, loving of cows, soft movements of calves, and gentle rustling of leaves remind us of the harmony of nature. Thank you for spending these serene moments with us. Stay tuned and subscribe for more real veterinary practices, farm life, and educational videos from the field. Thank you.